Hi, good morning students, this is teacher Clara and today we're going to make a practice in order to do a pH indicator. The first thing that you have to do is to find the materials, and those are the ones you're going to need. Mainly you need red cabbage, about 3 leaves, then you need 3 vessels, one for a neutral solution that is going to be water, a second for an acid solution that is going to be vinegar in my case, and a third for the basic solution that is going to be baking soda. After that, you may also need a pot in order to boil the red cabbage, that it has to be cut in little pieces like this. And also, you may need a spoon, a strainer, and a recipient, like with a dropper or a little recipient like this one. Any one of those is suitable for taking the pH indicator after. And that's it. As you have the material, let's start with the experimental part. So let's continue with the experimental part. After you have in little pieces the red cabbage, just add it into the pot. If you want, you can use gloves as well, but let's say that the red cabbage doesn't have like any dangerous substance that may harm your arms or anything. Just be careful to add everything into the pot. Also, after you finish adding this into the pot, then add the cup of water. Maybe cover all the surface of the red cabbage, and then let's place it into the kitchen for 5 minutes. And now let's wait 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes of boiling pass, we already have the red cabbage. You're going to see that it's ready because it has like a purple color. And right now we just have to pass it into the strainer in order to take only the liquid. We don't need the red cabbage anymore, so let's do that. Also, you may want to wait some minutes for the solution to be a little colder, because after you finish the boiling, it's going to be too hot. Mine is still warm, but it's okay. I can use it like this. So viewer, just put it into the strainer. And that's it. This is the liquid we need in order to make our practice. So this liquid that we have here contains all the anthocyanins that we need in order to make our pH indicator. And the last part is to taste it. Let's do that. For the last part of our pH indicator practice, we're going to try the indicator to see if it works. I already put the solution into a recipient. I also identify the sample. It's very important that you identify all your samples. Here, place pH indicator, and also I made the 3 solutions. This one is the acid one, that is vinegar. In the middle, I have a neutral one, and for this one, it's a baking soda solution. The 3 of them right now looks colorless, but let's see what happens after we add the indicator. I will start with the neutral one. I would recommend you to add 10 drops of the pH indicator, but if it's a little more, it's okay. But I recommend you 10 drops. So let's start with this one. Okay, check it out. Here, for the first one, we have the 10 drops already, and we can see that the color is kind of purple right now. Let's see what happened with the acid solution. Okay, check it out. For the acid solution, right now we can see in the surface that is kind of red, kind of pink, more or less. And that's indicating that we are in the presence of an acid solution, that in this case is vinegar. Right now it's taking the color a little bit. After some minutes, it takes the color is kind of deeper, let's say like that. And for the last one, let's try the basic solution. Okay, and there we have. For the basic solution, we see that it changed to a color that is kind of blue, kind of light blue, more or less. And it's indicating that we are in the presence of a basic solution. And it means that we already extract the anthocyanins that were present in the red cabbage. And that's it. That's our practice. I hope you enjoy it. And have a nice day. Take care. See you.